Hello and welcome to the video for this listing. It's the Nikon COOLPIX AW100 Tough Style camera, or Tough Class. It comes with the following accessories, and it is full kit, this one. Everything's with it. A couple of CDs, all the instructions, there's even some warranty details. Obviously that's probably long well gone. The UK mains lead, the charging brick in immaculate condition. All of this kit really looks relatively unused. That's the USB data cable as far as I can see. What's the end on it? Should be a UCE6. It is. It's a UCE6. Transfer your images from the camera to the computer without having to fiddle around with the waterproof casing or the waterproof door. This is just an AV cable. Connect the camera to your TV directly. And then we've got the original box with matching serial numbers and inner packaging in very good order. The camera itself, well, this Tough Class type camera, they're not sold in huge numbers. They're normally quite expensive, but it's waterproof to 33 feet. I would imagine that's normally just for an hour, or it's time related. It's shockproof from 1.5 meters. It shoots full HD. The lens is 5x optical zoom and has an f variable of 3.9 to 4.8, and it has a built-in flash. All the doors and seals are perfect. The screen is practically immaculate. These are acrylic and they tend to scratch up pretty quickly. The camera, let's bring in the model and we'll just demonstrate the zoom. There we are, wide angle and telephoto, so we can shoot in and then it focuses up. It's probably a bit too close. Let's move out a little bit. And then there's the flash. Now you'll need an SD card for this camera. That slots in there. It's a full-size SD card even. You'll need something similar to one of these. They're about £8 in Sainsbury's at the moment. And there's the tripod mount. But overall the camera is in very good order. The menu is button driven. It's not a touch screen. And that all works well. And the lens is pretty much immaculate with this little sunshade as well, or yeah, sunshade I suppose it could be described. So you get GPS and all the usual things attributed to a modern camera. Lovely. That's about it really. I think that will make someone a very good accessory for taking to the beach. Normal cameras just do not deal with the beach in dusty conditions, and especially water very well, so that'll do nicely. Thanks very much. Bye bye.